This video I will tell you that how to update WhatsApp on your Android phone. So if you think that you are not getting the latest features from WhatsApp, then you should update. So first of all, open up your Play Store if you are on Android and search for WhatsApp here. And if you see this update option here, which means that there is a new update to the WhatsApp, so you must tap on this update option and it will update the WhatsApp app on your phone. And for some reasons, if your Play Store is not working, so you will go into the Google and search for here like something this WhatsApp APK download. And you can actually use these different websites. This is the best website, which is the APK Pure. This is a third-party website, and from this you can actually download the APK and install in your phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.